Congratulations! If you're watching this video, it means your school is using Gradelink. You may be asking yourself, what is Gradelink? Gradelink is a safe and modern way to stay connected with your school. It's a central hub for everything that occurs at your school, including communication, grades, homework, schedules, and tuition. You can also receive text and voice messages for urgent alerts and reminders. Students and parents can log into Gradelink on a laptop or download the free app. Your school will provide your login information to you. Press Remember to save your login to your device. You can also log in using your fingerprint if you have that enabled on your phone, or you can log in using your Google account. Students and parents each have their own login, and while the logins are nearly identical, the parent login is able to log in one time to view all their students. Just click Swap Account to go ahead and switch between the associated students. You won't see this setting if you only have one student linked to your account, or if you're logged in as the student instead of the parent. When you first log in, you will see the school's contact information, the school-wide news, and the teacher pages. You can view your student's schedule anytime. You can see this week's schedule or a day's view. Click on the class to get more information. You can also click here to email the teacher. The Grades tab lets you see the current grades. Click on a subject to view more. Upcoming assignments are shown here. The chart below shows the different types of assignments and how much each type is worth. The chart will update automatically as new assignments are added. You can easily see a list of upcoming assignments and completed assignments. Click on an assignment to view the details, such as the type of assignment, score, and teacher comments. A description of the assignment written by the teacher is found here. If the assignment has a handout, you will see it here. Clicking here will allow you to view the handout or download it. You can also view a live attendance record. The top portion shows the number of days present, absent, and tardy, while the bottom section shows each day's attendance. The transcript allows you to see all the scores of the completed classes for the term you have selected and the total cumulative scores. A behavior log is available here. If any issues occur at the school, they will be noted here, and your school will choose how long the record is available to you before it expires. You can view your balance from the Billing tab. The balance can be broken down by category for quick reference. You can download your statement anytime by clicking the current activity or year to date. Service hours allow you to log the time that you or your family have volunteered to make your student's school even better. Click here to log time and then enter a description of what was done. After logging hours, your entry will appear pending until it's been reviewed by your school staff. Once approved, a green check will appear with the total number of hours updated. Hours that have been logged are shown here at the top. You can view both the total hours that you volunteered as a family and per student. Alerts is where you set your notification preferences. You can configure alerts for grades, attendance, and discipline. Check the option you want to be alerted for, and then enter your preferred email address. If you want the same alert settings applied to every subject, just press Apply to all classes. You can also customize the alerts uniquely for each subject. Thank you for joining Gradelink. Download the free app today and stay connected with your school.